Hey beautiful, it's Nancy Joseph, also known as the Lipstick Boss, and today I want to share with you a pro makeup artist tip for getting lipstick to last longer. So I've been in the bridal makeup industry for more than 15 years, and it's really important that you get the lipstick to look fresh from the first look all the way until the last dance. And so I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. So grab your best lipstick color, your favorite formula, and the one that really expresses your true unique personality, and grab some tissue, and I'm going to show you how this is done. So we're going to start out by blotting. And I know that that's like the oldest trick in the book, but it works. So first apply the lipstick. Evenly all over. Then blot. And what we're doing is we're creating like a stain on the lip. Reapply again and blot. Now you can repeat that process as many times as you want to get that coverage and the color that you want. And then one final time. Without blotting. There you go. Your lipstick is going to last a long, long time. If you liked this tip and you like this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends. They're going to love you for it. And also, I have information in the box below with additional videos on how to pick the perfect lipstick at the lipstick counter, and also some freebies. So go ahead and check that out. And until next time, mwah, be bold. Bye-bye.